Did you know that Google has more than 2,000 free online courses and more than 200 of them actually come with free certifications? Well, I went through all 200 of them, and today I'm breaking down the top 3 Google certifications that can actually make you real money. Not look good on a resume or look cool on LinkedIn. I mean, actual income you can earn this month. And you're going to want to stick around because this certificate on itself is only step one. If you want clients, jobs, freelance income, you need the actual strategy behind that, and you need to make sure you watch the whole video. These 3 certificates I've used myself and I've made money directly from them, so I'm living proof that this can actually work. They're in high demand, they're global skills, they're beginner friendly, and they're completely free. In this video, I'll cover what each certification includes and then how you can actually take that certification and make some real money out of it. All right, first up is the Google Ads certification. This is a big one. This is the engine behind almost every single ad you see on Google, YouTube, Maps, and every single partner website. Essentially, what this certification teaches you is how Google Ads work, the search, display video ads, the apps, the shopping. There's a lot of different types of Google Ads, and you'll be pretty shocked to see how everything works. What's funny is inside this free training, it's actually better and more insightful than a lot of paid courses I've taken around Google Ads and Google PPC. Google does a really good job of walking you through the overview of how everything works, and then the small important details on how to actually implement them. What I suggest for everyone is just going ahead and setting up your own Google Ads account and trying to play around with some test money. It could be $50 to $100 just to run some ads and see how it actually works. So the average Google Ads specialist earns $75,000 to $85,000 per year, but if you're a freelancer or have your own agency, you can absolutely crush on that. Instead of making $75,000 per year, you can make $75,000 per month. And here's why. Every business needs more customers and they need more leads. Google Ads does a really good job of connecting already established businesses that have a good product. They just need more people to find out about that product. And that's where you come in. Every business needs more customers, and Google Ads literally pumps customers into their business in real time. So companies will gladly pay somebody who knows how to do it well. Again, this is something that's not going to be passive. You need to understand how to set them up and build them in a structure that's profitable for you and for the company you're working for. This is the big thing that matters, because companies will pay you thousands and thousands of dollars as long as they're profitable and getting an ROI. So there's a few factors you need to understand is how much is your fee going to cost? What is the ROI that you can deliver for the company? And is that going to add up to be profitable for them? And a few examples of this are different business models have different margins. So if a business model is making $10 per product on actual profit, then they need to make sure that they're paying you and the ads that are going to be under that $10. So they can probably pay you up to $8 or $9 and still make a profit. But most people are wanting a little bit more margin than that because ad prices fluctuate. So they're likely going to want to pay you $5 for every $10, and they keep that $5 in profit. So that might look like $2 for you for running the ads, $3 for spending on the ad, and then that $5 for actual income. I just use this as a simple sort of breakdown, but in general, people are looking to get at least 1.5 to 3x return on ad spend, and it varies greatly per type of industry, per the product, and what you're actually selling, and also where you're selling these products in the US or overseas. If you're just starting off, I suggest starting off locally. Figure out industries in your local city that you can go around and actually make a big impact for. I've had friends of mine who basically started doing this for their local dentist. They charged them $500 a month with a guarantee. They said, hey, if you're not getting this money back within 3 months, I'll basically work for free until you do, which is a pretty low ask in the field. And then basically what you can do is you can use this as your case study. And if it's working well for one dentist, they likely know other people in their industry that they can refer you to. You're not going to have the other dentist pay you the same $500. You're going to charge them double or triple. Again, you've already been proven, you have the case study, and you have the walk to back it up. Basically, what you're going to be doing is funneling leads to these dentists through your ad. Now, he hit pretty high benchmarks, and he actually brought in 14 new patients for the dentist. And again, every new patient is going to keep coming back every 6 months. So there is some recurring revenue towards that product. And now he manages campaigns for a roofing company, a gym, and a realtor. I typically suggest specializing in one industry, but in a city, there's only going to be so many dentists, and you might actually be competing against each other. So in some industries, it does make sense to try to find a little bit of diversification certification in other areas. So here's a few lists of people that likely need help with search traffic or running ads. Basically, you can do this for dentists, real estate agents, gyms, chiropractors, local restaurants, home services, literally anybody who wants customers. But in general, think of the people that are likely going to have repeat customers and likely already have a little bit of an established business where they can spend a little bit more money to acquire a customer. And that's why dentists and chiropractors and these doctors who have repeat customers are usually a little bit easier because there's going to be a recurring element to it. So they have more profit margin and more money to invest. And in general, it's a lot easier for them to make a profit and positive ROI than in some other industries.
If you guys like that part, you're gonna love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription.
Now, just to recap, first step is taking this certification. The second step is trying it out for yourself on a small scale. The third step is actually landing a client with some sort of guarantee and the idea that they're going to become a case study and do reviews and testimonials and get referrals for you. And so that's why you're able to offer them a lower price. After that, then you're going to continue scaling and building more of your client base. Or if you want to just go ahead and learn this, you can take the certification, try it out yourself, and then apply for a company or agency that's looking to basically train you at a higher, faster pace. I think there's no problem with spending 6 to 12 months working for an agency or company, learning these skills, and then taking what you learned, building up your own client base. Did you know practically every website out there is backed by a analytics software that most people don't know about? It's called Google Analytics, and some people call it GA4 for short. GA4 is essentially the brain of a business's website. It tracks who visits it, what they click, where they came from, and most importantly, what makes them buy. What is the money maker? And essentially, Google Analytics specialists can earn $70,000 to $90,000 per year, and data analysts clear 6 figures once they gain this experience. Here's the reason. Every company needs data, every marketing team needs tracking, and every business needs to know what's converting and what's not. This is one of the best free courses I've taken, and with the updated GA4, there's a lot of potential out there because a lot of business owners like myself, we understood how to use the old Google Analytics. It was pretty intuitive, but basically they had to update everything, and now it's kind of a nightmare, and it seems like nobody really understands it. So if you're able to master this process, you can come into a business like mine and figure, hey, all of these people, all your top customers are coming from these pages or are clicking on these links or reading these resources. Well, let's make 10, 20 times more of those resources so we can expand our customer base. Or let's go to these sites that aren't converting well but are still getting a lot of traffic and see how we can funnel more of them into our sales team. So there's a lot of opportunities to look at your analytics and see how everything is connected. And there's a few really cool ways you can do this as a freelancer, as an agency owner, or just for working for a business or company. So what I suggest doing is, again, taking the certification, understanding how it works, and then doing it yourself. Get your hands dirty, build the website, install Google Analytics yourself. You can do this for under $10 or $20. It's really cheap. Figure out some ways to start driving traffic, or you can actually just play around with Google Analytics, like beta version. They have a demo version you can use and play around with all the tools. But again, if you're serious about this, you should set it up yourself for your own website. You can typically charge people $200 to $1,000 just for setting this up, and then you can offer retainers where you're going to be looking at the data, creating marketing analytics, conversion rate optimization, reports, or figuring out growth opportunities. The great thing about this is you just need to figure out how is this data relevant and how can a company use this to grow and scale. The truth is most companies and businesses don't understand their data. They're not looking at it every single day, and they don't get the trends that they're likely missing out on. I've seen businesses have a 2 or 3x, and this is one of the first things we do every time we acquire a business. We look at the analytical data, we're looking for opportunities, and then we're implementing those things that are going to really turn that traffic into giving us more money. So it's called conversion rate optimization. Essentially, if you have 100 people coming into a store and they're converting at 5%, it's a lot easier to get that conversion point up to 7, 8, 9, or even 10% than it is to double the traffic or double the amount of people coming into your store. So it's a lot faster, it's a lot easier, and it's a lot cheaper. So this is essentially how it works and why businesses are able to pay so much for this. So if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll be leaving links below to all the free certifications you can take today. If you're looking for a more broad but really valuable certification, then you need to take the Digital Marketing and E-commerce certificate. This one's perfect for people who want to start a little bit more broad or just get into a side hustle. It essentially covers SEO, content marketing, email marketing, Google Ads, analytics, social media, e-commerce fundamentals, and you'll get a full tour of the entire digital marketing world. And here's exactly why it makes money. Digital marketing managers can earn anywhere from $80,000 to $100,000 per year, depending on your experience. E-commerce specialists often earn similar, and freelancers earn anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per month. But if you build this into your own business, that can be $100,000 per month as well. I've had people inside my programs who started off with this certificate and then started building their own SEO blogs, managing Instagram for local businesses, setting up Shopify product pages, and in their first month, they already broke $1,000 of additional income. 6 months later, and they're already making $5,000 a month doing this part-time. So here's how you actually use this free certificate to go ahead and turn in the money. Again, it's going to be the same process. You need to take this certification course, understand it, and then start getting your hands dirty. Start trying out some of the tactics you actually learned and then implementing them. Once you've implemented them for yourself, you've got some proof and ideas. What you can do next is go and either find job openings that are hiring for this position, or you can start landing clients where you can do it for them. You can build websites, run email campaigns, do SEO projects, manage social media, create content, or even just set up e-commerce stores. What I suggest doing is just trying a few of these, seeing what you like and what you're best at, and then just doubling down on that. The great thing about this is they're all beginner friendly. You don't need to be a coder or super tech savvy, and you can actually start making money in about a month or two. Really, you can do this as a side hustle. You don't need to quit your day job, and this can be a really good way to elevate your income. And so if you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe. And again, I'm going to leave another video here that's going to help you earn from anywhere and make some additional income. So I'll see you in the next one.